Treasury Department's authority to refer Small Business Administration debt cases to the Department of Justice for collection litigation. When a Small Business Administration debt case is referred for Department of Justice collection litigation, it is first routed to the National Central Intake Facility located in Washington, D.C. for processing. After submission, the Small Business Administration debt case is then assigned to the appropriate United States Attorney's Office or private counsel under contract with the federal government. Screening at the National Central Intake Facility initially checks referrals to ensure that the statute of limitations to file a lawsuit has not expired and that the amount of principal referred is greater than $2,500. Each file must contain credit data on the Small Business Administration debtor obtained within the past 6 months or evidence of verified employment or the Small Business Administration debtor's asset information. If the Small Business Administration debt case is accepted, the entire package is then mailed to the Financial Litigation Unit in the United States Attorney's Office of Jurisdiction or to the Private Counsel Office litigating on behalf of the Justice Department. There are approximately 19 private counsel districts where a Small Business Administration debt case could be referred. Private counsel districts are located in Los Angeles, California; San Francisco, California; Connecticut, foreclosures only; Washington, D.C., Miami, Florida; Tampa, Florida; Chicago, Illinois; Detroit, Michigan; Newark, New Jersey; Brooklyn, New York; Syracuse, New York; Buffalo, New York; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; Scranton, Pennsylvania. Referrals that comply with the National Central Intake Facility screening criteria may, however, still be subject to immediate rejection after review by the United States Attorney's Office. The United States Attorney's Office returns declined claims back to the Treasury Department and notifies the National Central Intake Facility of the declination. Cases assigned to Special Assistant U.S. Attorneys. The National Central Intake Facility is charged with the responsibility of tracking all cases that were being litigated by the Department of Justice's United States Attorneys. This includes Small Business Administration debt cases assigned to the Special Assistant U.S. Attorneys. Once the Treasury Department refers the Small Business Administration debt to the Department of Justice for collection litigation, Treasury must immediately terminate the use of all administrative collection activities, administrative wage garnishment, Treasury offset program levies, administrative offset against federal salary, pension, Social Security benefits, federal tax refund, and referrals to private collection agencies under contract with federal government. Furthermore, Treasury must refrain from having any contact with the Small Business Administration debtor, and direct all Small Business Administration debtor inquiries concerning the Small Business Administration debt to the Department of Justice. Attached as a PDF is a sample complaint filed by the United States Attorney's Office against a Small Business Administration debtor for breach of a personal guarantee agreement that secured the Small Business Administration loan on behalf of the failed business. The sample complaint describes the typical allegations filed by United States Attorney's Office against a Small Business Administration debtor when the federal government resorts to using litigation to collect in Small Business Administration debt. DEBARMENT provision of the Federal Debt Collection Procedures Act or DEBARMENT provision within the Federal Debt Collection Procedures Act of 1990 FDCPA 28 Us. See paragraph 3201E. Provides that individual guarantors who have defaulted on their obligations to repay a Small Business Administration loan, and against whom the Department of Justice has secured a judgment for their Small Business Administration debt through collection litigation, may not be eligible for certain further federal financial benefits, until the judgments outstanding against them are paid in full or otherwise satisfied. If you are facing a Small Business Administration loan default, contact us today for a free initial consultation with an experienced Small Business Administration workout attorney at 888-756-9969. We analyze your Small Business Administration loan problems and advise you on potential solutions such as a Small Business Administration offer and compromise for your Small Business Administration loan default.